Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is August 9th, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I will be giving you some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over the minor levels, and then I'll go over some of the levels on gold and oil as well. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. With that said, though, let's go ahead and hop into the market analysis. So for me, resistance, bigger levels of resistance we got here in this bullish trend we're looking at is 44.2750, kind of where we're currently at, and then 44.32 as a level of resistance. Measured move for me is going to be somewhere up here at these 42.25s. We'll see if we get there. But got to break through this 2750 for me, and if we do, we'll head up to those 32s. More of a major level of support down below 44.1725 and then 44.0575 as the major areas that I'm looking at. So we'll see if we get down there for some support if we can't break those 2750s. With that, I'll hand it over to Wendy. She'll go over the minor levels for you guys.
Good morning. I love your level at 44.1725. I have that marked too. But we're going to start a little bit lower. And this is from August 5th. My first peak is 44.15. I have that marked because the market prior to 8.5 was not used as support. And look what happened. It fell below it a little bit. That's okay. You can hit the long there because you can see the rotations. But if you don't want to, let the market shoot up, relax, take a breath, let it come back down to it. And that's exactly what it did. You have two bullish candles there around that level, hit the long and take it up. Love it. Now David's area, the 44.1725 is marked too. It is a prior peak. So it's a really good area. So you can see from that minor peak at 44.15 how the market shot up. Look what happened. Came right back down to his level. Didn't come down to the tick, but it's close enough. I mean, we're half a point off, close enough for you to hit the long there. All right, my next micro peak, 44.2175. Again, the market went above it, went a little bit below it, went above it, and then boom, created that holy moly candle. The wick is below it, but created that closed holy moly candle. And I hit the long there, bought the bid. So taking it up to around David's area, which is 2750 or possibly even 2850. My next peak to look for you guys is 25. 44.25. You want that market to break up and then come back down and use that as a support. We'll see what happens. So those are my three minor peak areas for now. I'm sure the US market is going to dictate if we're going to get more. But we'll trade all of the major levels David has and the micro levels and make some money. That's it, Dave. What do you have for oil and gold?
Awesome. Let's move over here. So for gold, pulling it up here for you guys, resistance sitting here 1747.9. We did have a nice climb to the upside. We'll see if we continue that here on gold. More of some main levels of support. I got a main level here at 1736. So we'll see. We got some levels in between, but we've been having a nice movement. So if you want to play in between, you can. More of the major area is going to be here at 1736 and then 1731.7. Below that, support is coming in 1723. Above 1747.9, next level up 1759.4, which we may see the market try to retest. So we'll see what happens there on gold. Let's move over to crude oil. Crude oil, you can see pulling up here. Got some more wider levels. We're coming right into this area of resistance, a little bit above it, 66.39. So we're up. We may look for the upside a little bit higher, somewhere around 66.98 as we're trying to climb back to the upside here. We did have nice movement all the way down, kind of went closer to our level of 65.07, didn't get there all the way, but I do think we may end up trying to climb back up here on oil. So we'll see what happens. But right now, we will use this area of 6639 if it can't break on like convincingly through. So we'll see what happens there. But again, next level up 6698 as resistance. All right, team. With that, let's go ahead and hop into it.